Hey everyone, welcome back to Craft and Canvas. In today's video, we are going to make a super fun DIY interactive photo slider card. It's perfect for invitations, greetings, or just a sweet keepsake. Here's what you'll need: cardboard paper, double-sided tape, scissors, scoring tool, blade, scale, pencil, and eraser. You can download all the templates from our website. The link is in the description box. Alright, let's begin. First, set aside the cover template and the photo template. We'll use those in a bit. We are starting with the invitation template. Your ruler and a scoring tool and score a line right in the center, exactly where it's marked on the template. Then fold along the line to make a clean crease. Next, take the photo template and carefully insert it into the invitation base, just like you see in the video. Make sure it fits nicely through the cut sections. Now grab your double-sided tape and stick it to the left edge corner, just like we are showing you here. Then bring in the cover template and stick it on top, aligning everything neatly. Take your ruler and scoring tool again and make a crease on the flap, exactly where it's marked. Now fold along that crease line. Open up the card and take a look. This is how the inside should look so far. Now apply some double-sided tape along the right edge. Go ahead and attach the flap right there, just like we are doing in the video. Almost done. Take the pull template and stick it onto the very end of the photo template, right at this open edge. If you enjoyed making this with us, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Craft and Canvas for more creative content every single week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!